Welcome! Today, we're walking through an easy and quick way to rename a PowerPoint file using the Dropbox mobile app. Whether you're organizing your presentations or just fixing a typo in the file name, this updated method will have you done in no time. Let's get started. First, open the Dropbox app on your phone. If you haven't logged in yet, just enter your credentials to access your files. Once you're inside, look at the bottom of your screen and tap the Files tab. This will bring up a list of all your stored documents and folders. Next, scroll through your files or use the search bar if you have a lot, until you find the PowerPoint file you want to rename. Once you've located it, you'll see a small icon with 3 dots directly next to the file name. Tap those dots to reveal a menu with several options. From this menu, select Rename. This option lets you change the file name right away without moving or altering the file itself. A new window or field will appear, allowing you to edit the current name. Now, type in the new name you want for your PowerPoint file. Make sure it's clear and descriptive, so you can easily spot it later. After you enter the new name, simply confirm or save your changes by tapping the appropriate button, usually labeled as Save or Done. And that's it. Your PowerPoint file now has a fresh name, all done through the Dropbox mobile app without needing a computer. It's a simple step that helps keep your files tidy and easy to find wherever you go. Thanks for watching. And if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tips for getting the most out of your apps.